Welcome back with me again, Chef Sam, only here on Wake Up Ilocos What's Cooking segment. For today, we are making ribeye with ramen chocolate sauce. Our ingredients are ribeye. We have here ribeye, salt, chocolates, mustard, rum, pepper, potatoes, garlic, onion, and some green beans. And of course, our oil. So, ang una natin gagawin is to pan fry our ribeye. So, kuha lang tayo ng ribeye. Dito. If you can't find ribeye, pwede namang tenderloin ng beef. So first, like I always say, always season your proteins with salt and pepper. Both sides. Ayan. So, ipapan fry lang natin siya. Patay ng oil. Little amount of oil lang. Hintayin lang natin yung sobrang init na yung pan. And we're gonna chop some onions muna. This is for our sauce. Tapos pag nakita na natin ganito yung pan natin, drop lang natin itong ribeye. About 2 to 3 minutes per side. Wait lang natin mag-brown siya. Tapos, get na our garlic. Mga 3 cloves lang. So guys, this is very easy to make na naman, no? Takes around 15 to 20 minutes lang to prepare and cook at the same time. So, babalik na rin na natin. Ayan. This is the color that we would want. So, hindi naman necessary na kailangan isa-isahin, no? If you have a big pan, you can do by 3s. Pero, this time we're just doing 1 serving, so we're gonna, isa. Ayan. So, itong potatoes natin, yun na rin natin. And just get some parts of it. Ayan. For added texture and flavor, and of course color, because alam niyo naman, it's very important for me na i-combine lahat ng, ng objectives in food presentation and garnish. Lower down the heat para hindi maluto ng bonggang-bongga, baka maging siya. So, bale, ayan. Our ribeye is now done. Isa-set aside lang natin siya. Like I said, diba? Carry over cooking from my previous na, tinuro ko na sa inyo yan. Sinabi ko na there's always carry over cooking. So, para hindi ma-overcook ang ating mga protein. Now, we're gonna do our sauce na. Ang bilis, diba? Sauce na agad. So, konting oil na naman. Guys, in the same pan na naman, kasi wag yung wag yung hugasan or anything, kasi dun mo makukuha yung flavor from the protein. Yung mga nag-stick dito na residue and oil. Ayan. Let's start off with our onions and garlic. Low heat lang, Tapos, we're gonna add na our potatoes. And chopped green beans. Ayan. Sauté lang natin to for about 2 minutes at high heat. For young culinarians, yung mga mahilig magluto na bata, I suggest pag naglalagay tayo ng liquor, ng alcohol sa pagkain, i-ask for assistance, no? Tapos, ang gagawin natin, ilalagay natin dito kasi it's gonna flambe yan. So, So, about a teaspoon. Para lang iwas sa sunog. And then, we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Konti lang. Para lang may, tangy flavor sa dish natin. Maglalagay na tayo ng about 3 spoonfuls ng chocolate. Yan. Para siyang dinuguan. It's done na. Our sauce is done na. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ngayon is to slice. As you can see guys, hindi pa siya masyadong luto sa loob. It's pink. Tapos may nakikita pa kayong bloody juice. Yan yung sarap sa mga steak. The juiciness from the... So, nahiwa na natin to. We're gonna plate na our ribeye with rum and chocolate sauce. So, we're gonna plate na. So, we're just gonna put this, arrange it na parang fan. Presentation is always on. Kasi, you know guys, minsan, kahit masarap yung pagkain, kung hindi nyo naman pre-present ng maayos, ayaw nilang kainin. Always remember the eye eats first. Guys, this is our rum and chocolate sauce, ha? Hindi siya dinuguan. Of course, finish it off with mustard. Guys, ang mustard is essential to any meat na nag-grill or especially on steaks. It's really, really good with it. Nabibili to sa mga grocery stores. Konti lang. Like that. Just brush it off with this. So guys, this is our finished product. Ribeye with our rum and chocolate sauce. Nilagyan na natin siya ng rice as our starch. So, tikman natin. There's a party going on in my mouth right now. Guys, sa mga meat lovers, this is a very recommended talaga namang recipe for you guys out there. Okay, before I end the show, I would like to thank Mrs. Vanji Ferido for a very beautiful location here on San Julian Sur, Vigan, Ilocos Sur. Hardworking sous chefs Frank and Wendell, my chef de parties, Floyd, Gretchen, and Paul, and Benedict, and to my steward, Chris. Hello sa mga staff ng Vegan Plaza Hotel and Legacy Super Club. And of course, thank you sa Decor for this opportunity of me sharing my recipes. And once again, I'm Chef Sam, and see you again next time on another episode of What's Cooking, only here on Wake Up Ilocos. Bye!